Stage 4, political suppression. The year is 2013. The action. The Supreme Court executes the Shelby County versus Holder decision, surgically gutting the core enforcement provisions of the 1965 Voting Rights Act. The zero consequence. There is no federal legislative fix. State governments immediately roll out discriminatory voting laws, and the federal system simply watches. There is absolutely no penalty for the engineered disenfranchisement of black voters. The result? Progress is instantly reset by 48 years. The political infrastructure returns to a 1965 status with a single gavel strike. The system establishes its fourth operational rule. Rights granted by a petition can be legally deleted by a court. Political inclusion without independent economic power is a temporary illusion.